Good medical morning. This is Watson with your Poptastic Pimple Popping Week in Review. First, let's take a look at this splinter removal by Santanosaurus. Let's watch it again before we move on to something even more impressive. Here's a great ear pop from @GreatestMedical on Instagram. And here is an incredible shoulder pop from Tampa, Florida. This one is titled Tiny Gold Mine of Popping. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. And I know a lot of you don't like pimple images, but this ingrown hair is incredible. This might need to be the thumbnail. And is this on a neck or a belly? I can't tell. The foot is a weird place for a pimple. Somebody must have a bizarre infection. We also covered a video about delusional parasitosis. That has to do with the itchy feeling you get when you see parasites. Comment below if these parasites make you squirm. And lastly, I'd like to thank Thynergy for helping me with my workouts and losing weight this winter. I take Thynergy every day to keep my energy level as high as possible, and it gets me going and keeps me moving. Let's hear some more. Now let's hear a special word from MMA featherweight champion Felicia Spencer. She has a follow-up on Gabby's incredible weight loss with Thynergy.
Congratulations, Gabby. 20 pounds is a huge accomplishment. I'm so glad that Thynergy is working out for you. It's so important to find something that works for you. You know, everybody is different, and when you find that thing, you know, just keep running with it. I hope that you keep reaching your goals and, you know, becoming more and more healthy. For me, you know, just finding new ways to keep it new and exciting is always what I'm looking for. You know, some new recipes or a new activity, that kind of thing always keeps it interesting. So anyway, again, great work. Keep it up.
So why not start today? I use Thynergy as a pre-workout. It helps boost my energy, so I'm ready to kick my workout into high gear. There's an Amazon link below. Pick it up with Amazon Prime today.